Do you own a Bentley Continental? Are you missing Android Auto, CarPlay, or maybe a discreet reverse camera? If so, watch this video. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max. Today Connor is behind the camera and I'm showcasing the Bentley Continental. This is 2012. If your radio looks similar to this one, we can also do this solution for you. Now, we have added Apple CarPlay, Android Auto to the factory system in this vehicle, and also a reverse camera, which I'll show you in a minute. The factory radio works in exactly the same way. The way that you actually switch into Apple CarPlay is using the factory button on the steering wheel. Hold this for a few seconds and we will be straight into our Apple CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay works through the touchscreen. It's real nice and easy to use. You've got your maps, your music, messaging. That's generally the main reasons why people go for these upgrades. You get a nice lift inside the interior, brings you up to date with what the later Bentleys have. The Apple CarPlay system works wirelessly. There's no cables plugged in, and that also is the same for Android Auto if your phone is compatible. The system works through the factory sound system. Yeah, works really nicely and seamlessly. So definitely the best solution for this vehicle if you have this particular radio. Reverse camera, real nice and straightforward to use. Simply going to put my foot on the brake, put it into reverse, and we've got the reverse camera image which will come up on the screen like so. And we do get moving guidelines. I'll show you this now. These lines move with the steering wheels. It just helps you get into a space. They don't perfectly match the exact width of the car, but they help direct you into the space, just making parking there a little bit easier. When you take it out to reverse, it'll switch back to your Apple CarPlay screen. Yeah, that's about it really. This is a pretty short and sweet video from John Cleese. My name is Max, I'm signing off for now. And just before I go though, let's show you the reverse camera on the back. On the back here, quite difficult to see, but a little flush camera, just got my fingers on it there, and that is what allows you to see any of these low walls or objects behind you. That camera is definitely much better than having no view. So if you want to have a reverse camera and save money on accidental damages, get in contact with us so we can get you sorted out. Thanks now, take care and goodbye.